Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm coming with you guys for another cooking video, whatever you want to call it. So today what I'm going to be doing is Coctel de Camaron. So that's like a cocktail, shrimp cocktail for like when it's hot. So I've just been craving it, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make that right now. I'm gonna tell you what ingredients I need. So please subscribe to my channel. At least you can do that. I'm doing a giveaway when I get a certain amount of subscribers, so go ahead and do that. Obviously the first thing you need is shrimp. So I have my shrimp here, and I just washed it right now. So you need whole shrimp, and you need the ones with the shell, because when you boil it, the shells bring you more flavor. So the shrimp, and sorry, I have allergy right now. So cucumbers, avocados for after. You need tomatoes. Let me bring it down. Okay. So I have the shrimp, the avocados, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, a red onion. You need the clamato, the saltine crackers, or if you want, you could do it in the tostadas, cilantro, and then I have my pot. I already have some shrimp that I peeled and cut up right there, and then you have all your seasoning, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to peeling the shrimp. So what I do is I get the shrimp. See, this is the shrimp. It's whole, it's fresh, so it's washed already. So I get the hands. So I get the little hands, and then I cut them off like so. I cut them off, and I leave them for the trash. And then after, easily you just yank the tail. So when you yank the tail, half of it comes off. So that when you throw in the pan, and then you just peel the rest. Easy. And since they're a good size, I'm going to cut them in half. So I'm going to continue to do them to all of them. Okay, so now I did already chop all the shrimp, and while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I have it sitting in the freezer just so it won't spoil. And now I put the water to boil. I put the water to boil with a piece of onion, garlic, and garlic salt. So I'm gonna let that boil, and while that is boiling, I'm gonna start chopping up the cucumbers. So I already did wash them. All I'm gonna do is peel them next. Okay, easy. Just peel them and then chop them. I am using 2 only. I do have more. If I need more, I'm going to use more. Doesn't take long at all. This is really easy. So put this aside for the trash, and then I'm just gonna cut the tips off. And they say if you do this, it takes the sourness away, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so it's easier for me if I chop it like this, so I'm gonna chop it in cubes. So like so, you do it like this, and then you just do cubes. See? Then they should look like this. the cucumbers finely chopped. And now I'm gonna do the tomatoes. So I'm gonna do about 3 tomatoes, maybe 4, and I'm gonna start chopping them up. Oh, let me wash them. So now I'm gonna do the purple onion, and I'm gonna finely chop it because the purple onion, I feel like it is more flavor. So I'm just gonna cut. I don't need that much. Honestly, I'm just gonna use like half. So, and then I'm gonna take the top part off, and then I'm gonna finely chop it as like the tomato and the cucumber. Okay, so now I am done chopping the onion, tomatoes, and cucumber, and now all I have left is the cilantro. So you see how finely chopped it is. So what I'm gonna do right now is just throw it in the fridge. Finally, done chopping up the cilantro, and I already finished boiling the shrimp. You see the shrimp? I took it out of the boiling water so it won't like over boil, but you do need the boiling water, so keep it. And then I put the cascaras before I boiled them. I put the cascaras in the coladera, and I just put it on top of the boiling water so it won't be hard for it to like so the shrimp and the cascara won't get mixed together. So I put the cascara there. And then that's pretty much it. Let me just finish chopping up the cilantro, and then we'll get back. Okay guys, so now I have it all set up. I will show you right now. I have all the veggies cut up. I have the guacamole and the shrimp. You do need to wait a couple of like at least 1 hour for the juice that you cook the shrimp in. Put it in the fridge so it could cool down, and also don't forget to put the Clamato in the fridge so it could cool down. And I have like the special glasses for the Coctel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start layering it and making the actual cocktail. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna add the shrimp. So I'm gonna add the shrimp. Oops, one fell. So just put like a generous amount in there, and also for the other side, and then maybe a little bit more. Okay, and then we're gonna add a spoonful of onions on both, and then I'm gonna add the tomatoes, on this side too, then the cucumber, then the cucumbers on this side. And then just go ahead and add the cilantro. I washed my hands, by the way. So you put the cilantro in there. And then you just put a couple more shrimps on top. So I'm going to take the garlic out because I did put garlic in there. Okay, and then after you put the cocktail juice, and you do need ketchup for that too. So I did forget about the ketchup. So you do need the ketchup. So I'm going to put the cocktail juice in there. It's pretty fresh. So like that much. And then I'm going to put the Clamato. And then you put the ketchup. See, and that's pretty much it. All you do is mix it. Mix it all together. See, like, you could even throw more in there because and then there you go. You have your cocktail. You have your cocktail right there. And then you just top it off with avocados. Just garnish it with the avocados, throw it in there. And then you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for you guys. Open the crackers. Put some in the cracker. Oh my god, it's falling. Alright, now let me try it for you guys. Alright, ready? It tastes really good. Perfect.